welcome to math. My name is Ms. Ramirez, and for today's lesson, we will understand how to read time to the hour. And how are we going to do this? Well, today we will play Kahoot and read digital time clocks and analog clocks. This is important so that we can read an analog clock, digital clock, and be on time for school. So we've been talking about how it's really important for y'all to know how to read analog clocks and digital clocks so that you can be on time anywhere, especially for school. So before you play Kahoot, we're going to go ahead and review some vocabulary words. So our first vocabulary word is clock. So clock, you've seen this vocabulary word before. So this is a clock. You've seen this around your schools, in your classrooms, maybe in your house. Can anyone tell me the minute hand? Where is the minute hand? Good job. This red long hand. And where is the hour hand? Perfect. Y'all got it. It is this short blue one. Good job. Then our next word is hour. So we said that hour is the main number that is represented through the entire clock. So it's the first number we always look at, whether we're looking at a clock or at a digital clock. It's the first number we see and the first number we always say first. That's hour. So let's go ahead and move on to hour hand. Hour hand. Where is the hour hand? Good job. It's this short red one right here. So the hour hand is the shortest hand. Good job. Now the minute hand. Oops. The minute hand. So where is the minute hand on this page? Good job. It's the long red one. So the minute hand is the longest hand. Yes. Excellent. And our last vocabulary word for today is o'clock. So o'clock, we said, is represented with 2 zeros. So what is the hour on this picture? What is the hour? Good job. The hour is 6. Because 6 is the first number we see and the first number we always write down when we're talking about time. And then what is o'clock? Right here, the 2 zeros, right? Yes. So the 2 zeros mean o'clock. 6 o'clock. Good job. So now that we've reviewed vocabulary, let's go ahead and look at our anchor chart that we've done before. So let me go ahead and move the camera. Move the anchor chart a little bit. So this is our big clock that we have here. Okay, again, can anyone tell me what is a minute hand? Where's the minute hand? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Is it the long one or the short one? Which one is the minute hand? Good job. It's this long one. The long one is the minute hand. Great work. And which one is the hour hand? It's this short one. Good job. It's this short hand. So the hour hand is the shortest one. So where is our minute hand pointing to? Ooh, the number 12. And what did we say that the number 12 represents? review. If we forgot, let's go ahead and start thinking. The number 12 represents o'clock. So whenever we see the number 12 on a clock, we always say o'clock. Okay? When we see the minute hand on the 12, what do we say? O'clock. Good job. And the hour hand, what number is the hour hand pointing to? Great work. 3. So the hour hand is pointing to the 3. So what is the time represented on this clock? Let's put it all together. We always say the hour first, so 3 o'clock. Again, 3 o'clock. Great job. Let's go ahead and look at our digital form. Does everyone remember how to write digital form? Let's go ahead and review. So right here, what is this first number representing? The hour. Yes, so the first number represents the hour. And what about these two numbers, the second numbers that come after it? Oh, they represent the minutes. Good job. So the two numbers that come after the hour represent minutes. So always the hour comes first. So the hour and then the minutes. Okay, so right here we have 0, 0 in minutes. So what does that represent? How do we represent that on a clock? What did we say that 12 means? So let's think. What did we say that 12 means whenever we're saying the time? O'clock. So whenever you see the minute hand on a 12, you say o'clock. Okay? And if we can't see, so we have 2 zeros. So what does that represent? What do we say whenever we see an hour and 2 zeros? If you don't remember, let's look at our vocab. So our vocab word says o'clock. And what do we see here? We see 2 zeros. So what does that mean? O'clock. So right here it says 9, because that's the hour, o'clock. So 9 o'clock. So we have to put the minute hand on the 12. Yes, and that represents o'clock as well, but just in a different form on the clock. So now, our hour hand, where does it need to go? What number does it need to go to? 9. Good job. So now we have the hour hand on the 9. So remember that the minute hand is long and the hour hand is short. Everyone, the minute hand is what? Long, and the hour hand is short. Great work. Especially when you're drawing, make sure that you draw the minute hand long and the hour hand short. So now we have 9 o'clock in digital form and drawn on a clock. Great job at reviewing. Now it's time for you to go to the very last slide and play Kahoot. I hope you all enjoyed playing Kahoot, and I'll see you next time. Bye.